Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we are looking at 33 16th Street, Unit 1N in Fall River, Massachusetts. This is a beautiful first floor, 3-bedroom apartment located in central Fall River. This unit has immaculate panel floors throughout the whole unit, as well as old-fashioned moldings around the windows and doors. Here we have the main room here. It can be a parlor or living room area. Plenty of natural light from the windows. Here we have the second parlor living room area. And as you can see ahead, you have this beautiful sliding door closet, as well as the space heater for this room. Moving on to the first bedroom. As you can see, all the walls have been painted and every bedroom has a closet. Moving on to the dining room area. As you can see here, there is a second space heater here. A shelving on the faux brick wall here. Again, plenty of natural light with the windows. You have the fridge right in the main room here. Moving on to the second bedroom. All 3 bedrooms are about even in size, enough to fit a queen size mattress at most. Moving back out, we have the final bedroom. Again, these are all identical in size. They all have their own closets. This window has a view of the backyard area that is accessible to all tenants. Moving into the bathroom, we have a very elegant and old-fashioned tub and shower, as you can see here. We have a large mirror as well, as well as vanity lights. And lastly, past the back door entrance, we have the kitchen. See the nice stainless steel sink, beautiful cabinetry, and the gas stove. And this unit is managed by Nexus Property Management, so you do get benefits such as key copying services, making rent payments online, as well as access to a 24-hour hotline number for all your maintenance and repair needs. Again, this is 33 16th Street, Unit 1N in Fall River, Massachusetts.